Introduction. Welcome to today's instructional video on solving inequalities. In this video, we will be solving the inequality minus 7 is less than or equal to 7e plus 2, which is less than 5. We will provide the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Let's get started. All right, let's solve the inequality minus 7 is less than or equal to 7, e plus 2 is less than 5. Step 1. To start solving this inequality, we need to isolate the variable e. Notice that here we have two inequalities combined into one. Minus 7 is less than or equal to 7e plus 2, and 7e plus 2 is less than 5. First, we can simplify the expression by dealing with the constant term plus 2 in the middle segment of the compound inequality. We want to eliminate this constant term by subtracting 2 from each part of the inequality. When we subtract 2 from minus 7, it becomes minus 9, because minus 7 minus 2 equals minus 9. When we subtract 2 from the middle part, 7e plus 2 minus 2, the plus 2 and minus 2 cancel each other out, leaving just 7e in the middle. And lastly, we subtract 2 from the right side of the inequality, which is 5. So 5 minus 2 equals 3. After performing these subtraction operations, our inequality becomes minus 9 is less than or equal to 7, e is less than 3. And that completes the first step. Now the expression has been altered to minus 9 is less than or equal to 7, e is less than 3. This was done to start isolating the variable e, and we did this by subtracting 2 from each part of the original inequality. Step 1 result in interval notation form would be minus 9 to 3 for the range of 7e. Step 2. Next, we need to isolate the variable e even further. This means that we need to eliminate the coefficient of 7 that is currently multiplying the variable e in the middle part of the inequality. To do this, we simply divide each part of the inequality by 7. This will allow us to isolate e completely. When we divide minus 9 by 7, it becomes minus 9 divided by 7. Since both the numerator and the denominator are integers, we can leave it as a fraction, which is minus 9 over 7. Next, we divide 7e by 7. When 7e is divided by 7, the 7's cancel out, leaving just e in the middle part of the inequality. Finally, we divide 3 by 7, which gives us 3 divided by 7, and similar reasoning applies, so we leave it as the fraction 3 over 7. Putting it all together, after performing the division by 7, we now have minus 9 over 7 is less than or equal to e is less than 3 over 7. This is the final step of solving the inequality, because we have successfully isolated e. In interval notation form, the solution is from minus 9 over 7 to 3 over 7. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.